Hello friends and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So today we are back with another video on this channel, and today we are creating an amazing project using C++. Like you all know that in previous video we have created a tutorial of C++, and now this will be our project video, and in this video we will be creating really amazing project of C++, and the project which we are creating in this video will be a file encryption app. So I will be telling you that how you can create this project, what are the things we will be adding in this project. You will be also seeing that with this file encryption app I will be also adding some description, like not description, you can say decryption and encryption. Two things I will be adding in this file encryption app, and I will be also telling you how encryption and decryption work in this project. So it will be really amazing video, and I hope you'll be understanding new things from this video. So if you have understand and if you enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my coming up videos which I'll be uploading on this channel. So what we are waiting for now, let's get started with this amazing file encryption app in C++ from start. So now here we are on the computer screen, and like I've shown you in start that today we are just creating an amazing project of file encryption app, and in this file encryption app we'll be also including description, or you can say decryption with encryption. So I will be telling you the difference of encryption as well and of decryption as well, like what are the difference between these two things and how we can create this project. So for creating this project, like you all know that previously we were using VS Code, but now we were shifted on Replit because of beginners. They were having some troubles in that, and that is why I've shifted all the things on Replit, so it will be easy for beginners and for all the people who are watching this video, so they can work with C++ or any language easily on Replit. So I've created a REPL of C++ with the name of file encryption app. You can give any of the name to your REPL, and you can just create a file of main.cpp, or you don't have to create. Normally when you will create the REPL, the file will be automatically created with the name of main.cpp, like it has been created in mine REPL as well. So what I'm going to do next is I will be just moving on to this one line code, and now we'll be studying all the codes which we will be adding to create this amazing file encryption app or file encryption project, you can also say. So now what I'm going to do is I will be adding the starting code here, and the starting code first of all we'll be adding will be of include fstream, so we can start working with this C++ project. And now here I will be just doing one thing, like I'll be not giving a space so we can get all the things working. Now I will be using iostream here, and now we will be using hashtag include string as well, so we can use some strings down in this project. Now I will be using void encrypt file, so I will be just using like this encrypt file, and now create a bracket in which I will be writing const std, and then I will be writing as a string, and now here we have to write an input value, and the input value I will be writing like and input file path, like this. You can just see we have written this file path, then I will be writing this comma and moving down, and after moving down I will be creating a const std. Then here you have to write a string. So for writing the string you have to write std like this, then create a string here as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'll be making like this so we can get all the things aligned. Then here I will be writing in the place of input as output file path now. So you can just see we have written output file path. Then I'll be writing as init key. Now here I will be just making this bracket, and then I'll be just moving down here, and I'll be pressing tab here to get all the things which we have to write here. So you can just see all the things has been appeared successfully. And after getting these all things, what I'm going to do is I will be just moving down here. So we are getting ifstream input file, then input file path, then std ios binary. So I think all the things is done. So what I'm going to do next is I will be again pressing the tab so we can get all the other things as well of the output file, like we were getting of input file at the top. So you can just see all the things of output file has been also appeared with input file, so we can work with two files down easily. Now I will be just pressing backspace to get this bracket at the back, and now what I'm going to do is I'll be just moving down, and I'll be creating a character tag with ch, then create a while value, and now in while I will be creating an input function, or you can say an input file. So I'll be writing here as input file dot get, and in which I'll be writing the value of ch. Then you have to now make this curly bracket again and create an output file of std of string, or you can say you can put the value of ch plus key here. So I will be writing ch plus key like this. You can just see we have written all the values like we want. Now after doing that I'll be closing this, and here I will be writing input file dot close, and then we'll be closing the value. Same as of output file, we'll be doing the thing, output file dot close, and like this we'll be closing the output file. Then here I will be now using void, and now here I'll be using decrypt file this time, like we have used encrypt file. All the things will be same, just the thing will be changed. Here is in the place of encrypt we will be using decrypt. And now here I will be just moving down, and after just moving down here I will be now just creating a std input here, which will be of if stream. Then we will be also creating another std off stream, which will be of output, and you can just see we have written all the things, and I think it is perfectly fine. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I will be just now moving down here, and after moving down I will be just creating a character of ch here. Then I will be creating a while value, and like this I will be getting the output file with ch minus key. Then we will be getting input file dot close, and we will be also getting the output file dot close. So you can just see all the things is written now. Now what I'm going to do is I'll be making this curly bracket at the back so we can get all the things working here. Then create a init main, and in this init main I will be writing std string input.txt, or you can just write normally here string. Then you can use input file path like this, and then you can also use output file path. So we'll be using two paths of the file here, which is perfectly fine, I think. So you can just see we have used all these file paths, and now what I'm going to do is I'll be just taking this p capital of input file path as well. Now here I will be just moving down, and I'll be writing init choice comma key, so we can get the key and choice working here at the top, which we have used. Then I will be moving down, and I'll be writing std count. So here I will be writing std count. Then the first value which I will be writing is of encrypt file like this. And now here I will be just moving down, so here I will be moving down, and then I will be creating decrypt file secondly, and then third I will be creating enter your choice. Then fourth I will be creating sin choice here like this. Then after doing that, simply you have to enter a input file path, or in the place of enter input file path you can also write here enter key integer. So I will be writing here enter key integer like this, and then you can make this colon here. So you can just see it is perfectly fine now. Then what I'm going to do is I'll be just moving down, and in the place of it you can create a sin key. Then in input file path enter input file path. Then here I will be creating an input file path with sin, and then in count again I'll be writing enter an output file path this time. And then I will be creating again the same thing of input file path like we have created if choice. And then here I will be creating a curly bracket, and down I will be creating an encrypt file with input file path and output file path and with the key, so we can get all the things successfully. And now you will be getting this file encrypted successfully. If you want to print you can do that, but we will be not doing it simply. Now what I'm going to do is I will be just doing next is I will be now moving here in this bracket, and then I will be creating else if. So here I will be writing else if choice like this equal to 2 equals to, we will be adding here, and then I'll be moving down, and we will be using decrypt file input file output file path and key. Then here again I'll be using else, and then in else statement this time I will be using std count. So here I will be using it, and then I will be writing as invalid choice now. So you can just see we have written this invalid choice like this. Now here I will be pressing full stop, and then write here std end l. So you can just see we have written std end l here. Then I will be returning the value as 0. So you can just see this. I will be now what I'm doing is saving this file here. You can save the file here, and then you can run the file in the browser or in the console, like we are using the console here in Applet. So I'll be running my output in the console. So press this run button, and you can just see we are getting the console running. You can see now it is so telling me that enter your choice. So you can give any of your choice, like if you want to encrypt the file you can press 1, and if you want to decrypt the file you can press 2. So first of all we'll be moving with encrypt file, so I'll be pressing 1 to encrypt the file. After writing this, it is now showing us that enter key integer. So you can give any of your key integer, like I want 6, I will be pressing 6. Then it is showing me enter input file path, so you can enter any of your file path you want to. So I'll be writing like desktop, then press enter. Okay, by mistake the here spelling mistake, but no, nothing happens, like nothing error will be showing you. So now in the end it is showing me enter output file path. So the output file path which I'll be adding is C drive. Press enter, and now you can just see it is created a C drive file in which we have encrypted the file successfully in our replit. And now same, if we want to decrypt the file, so what I'm going to do is I will be now pressing 2 here, and then I will be pressing 5. Now here I will be writing desktop as my output. Then here I will be creating a output file path which will be as D drive. Then press enter, and you can see now it has created another file, means decrypted another file with the name of D, means D drive. So you can see how you can encrypt and decrypt the file by using this file encryption app, and I hope you understand how we can do that. So if you have understand and enjoyed this video from start of encryption app or file encryption app, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell so you can get the all notifications of my videos which I'll be uploading on this channel in future. So now I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.